One of my favorite verses. Before as featured, there's tiny verse I'm featured, more than a verse I'm But anyway, Ted Lord. Woo! Bounce with it. Yeah man, and what's my is the color beat. Look, sivele sifike bakumbe. Indlela ezigcwele zidumbe. Ngomona basibone behumbe. Icebo lozama ukusilunga. Ha, thini madoda bathetha ngantoni hayikhona bathanda ukusiluke. Bathi siphakamile so that's why bethanda usuke. Okay, make badede. Sikhome sichazo kwencwadi. Uyayibona le ndaba inzima le ndaba ithanda ukunyuka kokugcina le ndaba indaba sithanda indaba that's why iskilana zodwa. Intshaba size sabi hayikhona hale masoja wena Julie Mike singe. Kwiqonga sifike silunge. Uyabona David ndawethu. Disibona sigrade sethu. The more we hate the better we do. Sizama ukuqinisa igroup bring something new until basibuze ngaba zenza kanjani ezintuzi. We be here looking at words baba. And packing and make kwaba sibe sisibana ngekwaba. Phela ukonaba kwaba zama ukusibamba njengesempe emanzini. Kodwa amagquqa semkhathini. Siphoqa kanjani? Kodwa kanjani bese libasiphethe besifile the